Today we are going to make a delicious vegan vegetable au gratin with a creamy oat white sauce. This comforting dish is loaded with a variety of colorful vegetables. So let's get started. First, to make cashew cream, add cashews and pour hot water over and keep it for 1 hour. Let's make oat white sauce. In a saucepan, add butter over medium heat. Once melted, add oat flour and stir continuously. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes to eliminate the raw flour taste. Reduce heat to medium-low and slowly add a cup of almond milk at first. Keep stirring till well combined, ensuring there are no lumps. Add salt and pepper to taste. Continue to stir until the flour and milk is well combined. Just like this. Increase heat to medium-high and let sauce boil. Continue to stir. It will start to thicken at this stage. Add remaining half cup of almond milk. Once combined, let it simmer on medium-high heat. Then grate nutmeg to give our sauce aromatic flavor. Give a good stir. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees centigrade. Once it starts to boil, add garlic powder. Whisk it till well combined. Sauce has combined well and has thickened too. So delicious and creamy oat white sauce is ready. Remove from heat and keep it aside. To saute vegetables, add olive oil in a pan. Once oil is slightly hot, add chopped onions. Saute until onions are translucent. Once onions are translucent, add dried thyme. You can add minced garlic and chopped green chillies if desired. Add vegetables. Stir well. Then add salt and pepper to taste. Mix until well combined. Wow, it looks so radiant and such a beautiful medley of tasty vegetables, isn't it? Cover and cook vegetables for 7 to 8 minutes on medium-low heat. Remove lid and check for tenderness. Vegetables should be soft and crunchy too. Vegetables are done. Remove from heat and keep aside. Let's bring in our soaked cashews. To make cashew cream, strain cashews. Add in a blender. Then add water and blend to a smooth paste. So here it is. Cashew cream is ready in no time. Remove from blender into a bowl and keep aside. Let's assemble our yummy vegan vegetable au gratin. In a medium-sized baking dish, transfer vegetables. Wow, the aroma of vegetables is really amazing. Combine the steamed vegetables first with delicious cashew cream. Mix well from sides to center. Then add delicious and creamy oat white sauce, spreading it evenly. Mix until the vegetables are well coated. Sprinkle breadcrumb mixture over the vegetables. You can also mix breadcrumbs with a bit of olive oil to make it crunchier. Sprinkle vegan cheese evenly over breadcrumbs. Place the baking dish in the preheated oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until the top is golden brown and the edges are bubbling. Once done, remove from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes. It looks so appetizing. Garnish with chopped fresh parsley or coriander. There you have it, a delectable vegan vegetable au gratin with creamy oat white sauce. Serve steaming vegan vegetable au gratin with garlic bread and roasted sweet potatoes. Make this very comforting and satisfying main dish on a cozy wintry night and enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me today to create this delightful vegan vegetable au gratin. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious recipes and hit the notification bell so you never miss a mouth-watering update. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. So until next time, happy cooking.